Gallbladder 8 is on your head, a little bit above the tip of your ear. To locate gallbladder 8, find the top of your left ear right here. Now find the spot that is the width of one thumb above that. Right about here. There'll be a little depression there. Press in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is gallbladder 8. Activate this point by rubbing it quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find gallbladder 8 on your right side and repeat.